Hello, today we will guide you through how to convert a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation to Adobe Illustrator. In this walkthrough, we'll use PowerPoint to save a presentation in a format that Illustrator can work with more easily. The key idea is that Adobe Illustrator can open PDF files, so the presentation first needs to be exported from PowerPoint as a PDF. Once that's done, you'll have a version of the slides that is much more suitable for editing in Illustrator. Begin by opening the PowerPoint app. Once PowerPoint is launched, open your sample presentation. This should be the presentation you want to convert, and it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you have the correct file before moving forward. With the presentation open, go to the top left corner of the PowerPoint window and click on File. This will open the main file menu, where PowerPoint gives you options for saving, exporting, and managing the presentation. From there, click on Save As. This is the option that allows you to create a copy of the presentation in a different file format, which is exactly what we need for this process. When the Save As window appears, look for the File Type field. Click on the drop-down menu next to it to view the available format options. In that list, select PDF. This step is important because PDF preserves the visual layout of your slides and makes it possible to bring the presentation into Adobe Illustrator. If your presentation includes text, shapes, or graphics, saving as a PDF generally keeps those elements organized more effectively than using an image-based format. After selecting PDF, click Save. PowerPoint will generate the PDF version of your presentation and store it in your chosen location. Depending on the size of the presentation, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish. Once the file has been saved, open the sample PDF presentation you just created. This confirms that the export worked correctly and that the slides look as expected before continuing into Illustrator. If anything looks off, it's usually best to return to PowerPoint and check the original presentation before trying again. At this point, your PowerPoint presentation has been successfully converted into a PDF, making it ready to be opened in Adobe Illustrator for further design editing. This is a simple and reliable way to move presentation content into a more advanced graphics workflow.